My dear students, in this video we are going to discuss question answer of lesson number 2, A Well is Born. And this lesson is in the form of a verse which we can say a poem, and this is written by Radhika Chadha. So I'm going to discuss its question answers. Let we do. See, on this page number 24, part A is given. Read these statements, write true or false. Write NI if the poem does not give any information about them. Here the first sentence is given. The engineer thought he could have well ready in a day. So here I have typed already, that is true. And in the second sentence, the engineer had not looked at the map of the village. That is false. The engineer had never had any trouble finding water in the past. That is true. After that, in the fourth sentence, the engineer team followed all his orders without argument. That is NI, means not give any information. The farmer was a village elder, not informative. And then the farmer thought the engineer would not take his advice seriously. It is true. The statement is true. So let me check our answers. Are these correct or not? Let us see. I have clicked here. You see, here the first sentence is true. It is true. False, it is false. Third one is true, it is true. Fourth is not informative. Fifth is not informative. And sixth is true. So these are the answers which I have matched here. Dear student, you have to keep in your mind which sentence is true and which is false and which is non-informative. Now I am coming to my next question number 2. What do these sentences tell you about the engineer and the farmer? Take the correct options. My knowledge of Will simply has no gaps. Here the second sentence is correct. He is confident. Now the second sentence, come, let us fulfill the village dream. Here the second sentence is correct. He wants to help. So let us check these answers. So the first one is B and second one is also B. Now I am coming to my next page. You see, all wells he had ever drilled had been with abundant water fill. So its correct answer is C. He has a lot of experience. Now my fourth sentence, if you do not mind, I have some advice. He is polite and helpful. And in the fifth sentence, no matter how dry the summer can get, termites find water to keep the nest wet. So its correct answer is B. He observes everything carefully. So dear student, these are few questions based on this lesson. Dear students, we are going to discuss our lesson number 3 also, To the Valley of Flowers, and this is written by Romulo Butania. So I'm going to discuss its question answers. You may see its question answers. The A part is given. Take the correct options. First, I am reading. No one asked the author where she was going because. Its correct answer is C. Everyone assumed that she was going to Hemkund Sahib. Now, my second question, the author wandered through the market at Ghangaria because she. The correct answer is A. Wanted to get a feel of the place. Now my third question, the local she met on the way were. Here few options are given, but the correct I am clicking, that is clearing the track ahead of the glacier. So I will check my question answers C, A and B. So my dear student, these are few answers of these. Take the correct options. Now I am coming to my B part. First question is, why did the author feel that the first 6 or 7 kilometers of the journey was joyless trudging? तो ऑथर को फील क्यों हुआ कि फर्स्ट 6-7 किलोमीटर जो जर्नी की थी दैट वाज जॉयलेस ट्रचिंग. So we will discuss it. Let us see. The author felt the first stretch was joyless trudging. The path was crowded and littered with garbage. क्यों? क्योंकि जो रास्ता था वो काफ़ी populated था और littered था, गंदा था with the garbage thrown by irresponsible travelers. Now, second question. What made Here my question number 2 is given. What made Rajesh and Ajit consider going towards Hemkund Sahib इंस्टेड ऑफ द वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स? तो राजेश और अजीत ने हेमकुंड साहिब पे ही जाना प्रेफर किया बजाय कि वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स के. ऐसा क्यों किया? ठीक है, तो वी विल डिस्कस दिस ऑल्सो. द फर्स्ट आइस शीट विच लुक वेरी डेंजरस टू क्रॉस मेड राजेश एंड अजीत कंटेम्पलेट टर्निंग बैक. तो जो आइस शीट थी उसको देखकर उन लोगों को काफ़ी सरप्राइज फील हुआ और उन्होंने सोचा कि हम लोगों को वापस चले जाना चाहिए. Further, the trail was not yet open and the forest ranger had issued a warning. और इसके बाद फॉरेस्ट रेंजर ने भी एक वार्निंग इशू कर दी that anyone attempting to cross dangerous glaciers would do so at their own risk. कि अगर कोई भी ग्लेशियर को क्रॉस करने की कोशिश करेगा तो वो अपने लेवल पे अपने रिस्क पे करेगा. Now I am coming to my third question. Why did the author decline to proceed further near the dangerous glacier? तो जो ये ग्लेशियर थी वहाँ पे ऑथर ने जाना क्यों मना कर दिया? Why she declined to go there? The author felt that she was not fit enough to cross the glacier. ऑथर को लगा कि वो ग्लेशियर को क्रॉस करने के लिए फिट नहीं है. एंड हर कमिंग अलॉन्ग वुड स्लो डाउन राजेश एंड अजीत प्रोग्रेस. और अगर वो भी बीच में आ गई तो राजेश और अजीत की जो स्पीड है चलने की दैट वुड स्लो डाउन. नाउ माई फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. हाउ डिड द ऑथर फाइनली मैनेज टू क्रॉस द ग्लेशियर? तो जो ऑथर है उसने ग्लेशियर को क्रॉस करने के लिए मतलब कैसे मैनेज किया? लेट अस सी. The author managed to cross the glacier with the help of the locals. With the help of the locals. वहाँ के locals की help से उसने जो है क्रॉस करने की कोशिश की. Who not only drag her up every time she fell. जिन्होंने उसको गिरने से ही नहीं बचाया but also regale her with the stories. लेकिन उन्होंने उसका entertainment भी किया अच्छी अच्छी कहानियाँ सुना के. With their help, the author felt that she too must put in a more concentrated effort to cross. और ऑथर जो है उसने फील किया कि she too must put in a more concentrated effort to cross और उसको भी इसे क्रॉस करने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए, एफर्ट करना चाहिए. Now my fifth question. What did the locals say about helping the author and other two trackers? तो वहाँ के लोकल लोगों ने ऑथर को और वो जो राजेश और अजीत थे उन दोनों को क्या कहा? So the locals said that they were helping the author and the other two trackers so that when they go back they will tell their friends about the help they got from the locals and the people where they live will think well of them. तो लोगों ने वहाँ के लोगों ने उनको कहा कि जो वो हेल्प कर रहे हैं वो इसलिए कर रहे हैं ताकि वे लोग जब अपने प्लेस पे जाएं तो वहाँ के लोगों को अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में जाके बताएं कि कैसे वहाँ के लोग उनकी मदद कर रहे थे और ताकि वे लोग हमारे बारे में कुछ अच्छा सोचें. नाउ माई सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन. डिस्क्राइब हाउ द लोकल्स हेल्प द ऑथर. अब आपने बताना है कि लोकल जो है वहाँ के लोकल्स ने ऑथर की हेल्प कैसे की. द लोकल्स प्रॉमिस टू टेक द ऑथर The locals promised to take the author to the Valley of Flowers. तो ऑथर को जो है वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स में ले जाने का प्रॉमिस वहाँ के लोगों ने किया. एवरी टाइम शी स्लिप्ड ऑन. हर बार वो स्लिप हो जाती. एंड टू ऑफ देम वुड ग्रिप हर हैंड एंड पुल हर बैक ऑन हर फीट. तो वहाँ के जो लोकल्स थे उन्होंने उसको पकड़ के रखा ताकि जैसे ही वो गिरे उसे उठा लिया जाए. तो उन्होंने काफ़ी उसकी मदद की. दे कट अ पाथ थ्रू द आइस फॉर द एंटायर हाफ किलोमीटर ग्लेशियर. उन्होंने उसके लिए आइस का जो पाथ था वो भी क्लीन कराया कि वो आगे तक जा सके. एंड टोल्ड द ऑथर एंटरटेनिंग स्टोरीज अबाउट देयर लाइफ एंड वर्क. और उन्होंने उसको अच्छी अच्छी स्टोरी, एंटरटेनिंग स्टोरीज भी सुनाई अपने लाइफ के बारे में, अपने वर्क के बारे में. So dear student, these are few questions based on this lesson. I hope कि this is clear to you. Still you face any problem, we will discuss in our online class. Thank you.